In this module, I will outline your short assignment for this course, including the brief, how your process may go, and what you will want to consider when designing. This assignment acts as a chance for you to actually use the design thinking process yourself. So, taking into consideration the design thinking course so far, your task is to design a community centre for your local area, tailored to its specific needs. This opportunity will allow you to experience the more creative side of design, but this is an open-ended task, and you're welcome to choose whether you focus on either the representation and design, or the program, meaning the activities and use of your space. Your design can be done digitally or on paper and photographed. After submitting this assignment, myself or another course instructor will provide personalized one-to-one feedback, which you can use to further develop your problem-solving and creative skills, and benefit your own design if you wish. Remember that your design doesn't have to be too detailed or professional. This is more about creativity and user centricity. In this way, you shouldn't spend too long on this assignment. Think no more than about 30 minutes. So, when designing this community centre, you might want to start by thinking about what members of your local community would appreciate, even considering what you yourself would love in a community centre. Feel free to talk to family and friends to gather ideas for this if you find this useful. In terms of the specific brief, think about fun activities that might bring people together, and these functions can shape the space of the centre. Once you've gathered information based on what your community, the users of this space, might want, then brainstorm ideas using this information as a starting point. If you found any particular problems or challenges that your community is facing that you think could be solved or addressed through your community centre, this is where you might want to think up solutions. If unsure about initial ideas for your design, you might want to seek inspiration from successful existing community centres and public spaces. Your next step is to sketch out these ideas. This can be a plan view from above, a section view from the side, or any 3D representation of the space, as long as it conveys the main purpose and features of the centre. Just before submitting your idea, it might also be a good idea to ask your family or friends for any feedback that you can use to adapt your current design. For example, ask them what they would want to change and add. This acts as an alternative to the usual prototype and test stages of design thinking. You can also finalize your design by annotating the different parts of it and writing out why you chose certain features or activities. Think about how your centre would bring the local community together. If you're really committed to enhancing the quality of your design, a couple of other factors you might want to consider include accessibility and sustainability. I think the best way to fully understand design thinking and how to use this process for your own purposes is to try it out yourself, so hopefully this assignment will be super beneficial.